cooler weather signals fall. It signals fall flavors, signals tailgating, and incredible game day feast. And how about some family dinners? But let's face it, they need to be quick and delicious. I'm Pam Smith, and I'm here to show you how to take your whole fall experience up a notch and do it with a nice, healthy swap. What I'm doing here is an incredible, awesome taco bar, but switching into Aussie grass-fed beef. I love using taco bars as my entertainment kind of meal because I can get it all done. You find that Aussie grass-fed beef cooks a little quicker than conventional beef that you may have used, so I always use a really hot skillet, get it nice and browned, and then right at the end of the cooking, add my taco seasoning. That helps to caramelize it and just bring all of those flavors together. And it's just right to then put together with all of my other ingredients. Let's use, in this case, a nice hard shell. We'll start with a little bit of slaw on the bottom. It's the way I like to build my tacos. On top of that, we need just a little bit of something that's going to hold this delicious meat into it. So I'm going to use a little guacamole. Let's spoon a little bit of this delicious Texas taco meat right into it. Maybe a little bit of black beans. And then add some cheese, because we always need that. A little bit of veggies. Like I said, this is a great way to sneak in some veggies into the little ones that might be there as well, in something that we all love so much, and that's tacos. You're right, an awesome taco bar. Coming up, we'll be taking a look at how to turn this one dish into 4 meals. We'll see you soon.